Hi guys, just want to show you how to unfold the surface here with this model here, and this is actually we received from client and use our software Smart Unfold for AutoCAD. We can easily unfold this surface. This is actually a mesh surface here. It's very simple, and yeah, just use once you install our software into your machine, and then you just click upload, and then you should see the content here, and then there's unfold surface is actually loaded here. And then you can add the plugin into your AutoCAD. And once you have done that, and then you have a command called the g-unfold, and there's another smart unfold surf, and this is actually a different command for different surface type here. This is easy to use. And for this one here, you just use g-unfold and then select using the window selection, and that's it here. And then we'll ask whether you unfold in the boundary or not. In this case, we just say yes, and we say no here. So no, and then there will be just this is actually the contour that you're gonna get here. This is top. Let me see here. Yeah, this is actually what you're gonna get. It's very simple. And similarly, you can do that here just using the delete this one here. Okay, here. Okay, using g-unfold, and then you click this mesh surface, and then you type yes, and then they will unfold the inner boundary for you here. Yeah, that's for today. It's very simple surface. Just want to show you here it works fine.